Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use blur on the Snapseed application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. You just tap to the pencil icon at the right bar and you can find the fourth row. Click to the lens bar option under the black and white and just click to the circle and you can use that. But if you click to the elliptical option, you can use the linear, and if you click to the adjust button, you can set the blur strength, the transition, or the vignette strength. And in the style section you can find different options. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.